Well, earlier, Anthony mentioned that the process for registering a baby for citizenship would be more complicated. But this is not so. It's well, in a court case in 1884, Elk versus Wilkins case, the phrase "subject to its jurisdiction" was interpreted to exclude children of ministers, consuls, and citizens of foreign states born within the United States. In Elk, the American Indian claimant was considered not an American citizen because the law requires not an American citizen because the law requires them to be not merely subject in some respect or degree to the jurisdiction of the U.S., but completely subject to their political jurisdiction and owing them direct and immediate allegiance. And the court essentially stated that the status of their parent determines the citizenship of the child to qualify the children for birthright citizenship based on the 14th Amendment. And parents must owe direct and immediate allegiance to the U.S. and be completely subject to its jurisdiction. And in other words, they must be a United States citizen. And well, Anthony pointed out that a lot of immigrants come here to work. Well, there are a lot of temporary workers, and it's easy to get a H-1B visa, and it's issued to not only agricultural workers, but also upper division work such as accountants, managers, programmers, scientists, etc. And more than 2/3 of the estimated 340,000 agricultural workers are non-citizens. And back in March of 2003, the American Engineering Association reported that the U.S. high-tech sector lost approximately 560,000 jobs between January 2001 and December 2002. A bit of this was due to the dot-com bust, but there was an increase of H-1B or temporary work visas, people that were hired. Companies simply want to have cheaper labor. And well, according to Anthony, if you're able to afford a coyote, you should be able to afford a hospital. Well, in 2008, the average cost of a birth was $8,000. So if you do hire a coyote, I'm pretty sure you save more than you do if you pay for it. And our main proposition was that you should revise the 14th Amendment to define citizenship as birth to citizen. And this is due to because the cost of anchor babies and illegal immigration is causing a strain to the economy, and also chain migration causes overpopulation.